What's up guys, it's this guy back at it again for another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pizza calculator. So it's going to add your tax, and it's going to calculate the total price of how much your pizza costs. So let's start off with the first line of code. So number underscore of underscore pizzas space equal to space eval. So eval is something we used in the last video. So it's gonna ask us to input quotes how many pizzas do you want? Okay, now let's close the brackets, go to the second line of code. So let's start with the second line. So this line of code is gonna ask us what the cost of the pizza is gonna be. So let's do this: cost underscore per pizza space equal to. Oh no, I need to put an equal here. Equal to eval parentheses input another parentheses, two quotes, how much does the pizza cost? Question mark. Close it all up. No space, close that up. And now it's gonna ask us to calculate the sales tax. So I'm gonna put the sales tax as, well, in where I live, the tax is equal to, tax underscore rate space equal to space okay. Yeah, so let's just do tax okay. Now we close it up, we can move on to the third line of code. So that is going to be subtotal space equal to number underscore pizza number underscore of underscore pizza pizzas as. Okay, now we're gonna put the asterisk sign. We're gonna put another space. Cost underscore per underscore pizza, and yeah, that's the third line of code. So what this is doing is it's gonna multiply the number of pizzas times the cost, and then yeah. So let's move on to the fourth line of code. Okay, so now let's add the tax rate. So the tax rate here is 0.4. So TX, oh, it's roughly 0.4 underscore rate space equal to space 0.04. Okay, so now let's move on to the fifth line. Sales underscore tax space equal to subtotal space subtotal asterisk sign main space action the multiplication sign, whatever you want to call it, space tax underscore rate, and yeah. So let's move on to the sixth line of code, and we're almost done. So now the code we're gonna write right now is gonna put the subtotal plus the sales tax, and then it's gonna equal out the complete total. So total space equal to subtotal plus sales tax. Make sure you put a space. Sales underscore tax, and yeah. So let's move on to the seventh line of code. So yeah, so it's gonna print. So this is where it's gonna this is where it's gonna print what we've all added up over here. So let's write the print command. Print parentheses quotes the total cost is the money symbol, and yeah, let's put a comma over here, total. So let's close that up. So what this is gonna do is it's gonna print basically the total, and then it's gonna put it in front of a money symbol, and then the total is gonna print over here. So just 2 more lines of code, and you'll see how amazing it is. So print parentheses quotes this includes money symbol again, comma, subtotal, comma, space, quote for the pizza and close it. So let's close the quotes. Let's go back. Okay, so the very last line of code, you'll see So it's another print. Oh yeah, make sure you double check everything. So as you can see here, I messed up on print. And yeah, I need to capitalize this. Okay, so yeah, let's move on to the last line of code. Print quotes, parentheses, another quote, money symbol, comma, space, sales, underscore tax, comma, quote, in sales tax. And there we go. So let's double check everything. Number of pizzas. So yeah, so make sure there's nothing misspelled, like right over here. And tax rate is roughly 0.4. Sales tax times tax rate, total subtotal sales tax. Print the cost is dollars. And yeah, looks like we're doing good. Let's hit run, and it's gonna ask us to save it somewhere. So I'm gonna call this pizza .py. Pizza calculator. There we go. So it's gonna save in my desktop, and the format's gonna be a Python file. And save that. Ooh. Looks like we have an issue. Whoops, forgotten an underscore. There we go, just run it again. Print, money symbol, sales tax, and sales tax. So comma sales underscore tax. Yep. Simple mistakes can get you off guard. So yeah, that's why this is very useful. So let's run it again. I want 2 pizzas. The cost is roughly about $14. Oh, okay. Yeah. So there we go. This is very simple, and yeah, you can use it like when you're ordering actual pizza, but yeah, today I'm not ordering pizza. So let's see what it's gonna be if I stop the program, restart it, and ask for 5 pizzas for a party. I'm gonna enter that in. That's gonna be around like $26. This is not for sure though, so I may be wrong. I'm not looking at a menu or something, This is just off the top of my head, so let's just enter it in. Oh wow,